Hello, this video is on how to use Global.js CMS. First of all, we start by going globaljs.com/wp-admin. Second thing, now go global-admin. Once you put the username and password that we provided to you before, it will show you the backend. On the backend, on the left-hand side, you'll find posts, media, pages, queue form, and menus under appearance. I will only teach you on how to use these because the others are only coding methods. Now, we start by going to the homepage on how to edit the current pages and then later on how to add new pages. Okay, how to edit the current pages is by once you go to the website, you will find now a black bar because you logged in on the top. So anyway, a current page, you can just go to the page and click edit page. Okay, well, then you'll see on the back end the layout of the pages. Of the page, you'll see 4 boxes. If you want to compare with the current website, you'll find 4 boxes on the website. You'll find a text and an image. You'll find in here text and image. These 6 boxes are for mobile purposes, so we can view this image in a mobile style. This text here and this revolution slider here is because to give you the brochure and the text over here. So it's pretty straightforward. To edit any of these sections is basically by clicking the edit button here, and once you click that, you will find the text in here. If you want to edit anything here, it's basically the same style by just clicking edit, 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 anything, even editing the space here. You can just click edit. If you want to edit a row as well, you just by clicking edit. So it's very easy to use. So basically, editing stuff is really easy, but adding new stuff is uh, is a little bit more complicated. It's because there's multiple different information for each thing you add to the website. For example, you have a picture here, you have to do an image, single image, and if you want text block, text, you have to click on the text block. Okay, now let's look at all the types we have we currently used on your website. So first of all, you can find the single image over here. Once you click on it, it will say simple single image settings, and below it you'll find image size, full size, image style, center. So it's for each section you'll find a small explanation underneath that section. That goes to every block you want to add to the website. Adding an image is basically by clicking add an image, and you can in a single image block you can only add one image. So once you click on the plus sign here and you select something else, it will take off what you already have on the website. So if I select this image, for example, it will take off the image that was here before, and it will load the new image. And now then, if you want to check the size of that image, if you want it a thumbnail size, if you want it a large size, if you want full size, you have all the explanation here. You can make it width and height that you can specify the way you want. Now, the only thing is you can edit any of these images by, if you click on add image, and if you don't like the style of the image, you can click edit image. It will work as a Photoshop kind of style, cropping image and editing image. So if you click edit image, it'll take to a new page. You can then select If you want to crop, you can rotate the image, you can select the size that you want, and after you finish, you click update and it will do everything. Once you update, you can't go back with the image, so it's better if you back up the image before doing anything. How to back up the image is basically by copying the URL of the image from here, putting it on a new tab, and do Control S, and it will save for you the current image. Now, this goes by to every image on the website. All right, now let's look on another page, which is the same layout, the same style, the same way of adding. It's just a different. It's just a little bit different on the layout. But if you go to the backend, it's the same editor. Okay, you can find all the images, and you'll find the text, and you'll find the title. Now, as you see here, some rows are 3 columns, some of them 2 columns, some of them includes 1 by 2. All that can be customized basically whatever the way you wanted it. Basically, when you go to, if you want to add a new row, for example, just click on a row, and now this row is 1 column. If you wanted multiple columns, you can find all the options over here, or you can actually customize these options. If you do like this, it will tell you what the mass is behind it, so you can do it like that, and it will separate it for you. Once you finish, you can basically click update and preview. But to view anything inside these columns, you need to actually add things inside of it. So basically, you can add text, you can add an image, you can add an image gallery, carousel, any of these options, it has an explanation inside of it. For example, if I click add Mansory media grid, you'll find an explanation under each section. All right, once you finish, you always click update to view the work you've done. If you don't, if you're not sure about what you did, you can click preview and see how it looks like on the website. And if you like it afterwards, you can click update. The preview is not an update, so if you think that you finished the job, you have to click update to make sure that it displays on the website. Otherwise, it won't. For example, now if I try to leave this page, it will ask me, do you want to leave this page because I didn't save the changes? If you click reload, it will reset everything you've done. If you don't, if you click cancel and update, it will save everything you did. As you see, it saved everything. It resetted everything you've done. Okay, this goes by for everything on the website, for every page on the website. Now the only thing that's different now on the left hand side, you find add a new page. Once I click on add a new page, all what I need to do is add the title. That's the only thing different. And then back in editor, it will show me the elements. I can click add a template, which we don't currently have any templates, or add an element like that, or let's add a row, and then in that row we can add another row. Actually, you can keep doing that, adding rows inside rows, but it depends on how you want to sort out your display. So let's add one row only for the moment and give it a display of 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 2. Click update. Now as you see, it separated it the way you wanted. You can add text block here and image 1, for example, and text as well. So if you see, now we have this display. Click review before publishing, and you will see everything displayed the way you want. You can continue working on it until you find that you've done everything correctly. Now, in the next video, I will show you on how to add these pages to the menu and how to create a template. Thank you very much for watching.